today we're gonna be color matching the wing. You know, everybody's been telling me to just paint it, don't leave it black. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I had a poll up and painting it won, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. For those of you who are new and subscribe to the channel, thank you. It really helps a lot, it means a lot, and I'm gonna try to do my best to put as much content out there for you guys. But yeah, right now we're gonna go to meet up with one of my homies. He got a JDM front Integra. We're gonna be taking the motor out. So yeah, let's just head over there and get the video started. So let's do it. I gotta get a camera. We got Mikey. What up?
Nothing much. I think the diagnosis for today is what?
Take the tranny out or the whole motor too?
Yeah. If anything, the trans will definitely be the easiest to take out first.
Alright.
After we separate the lower ball joints.
Alright. Let's get some food though.
Imagine, if you will, sitting down to your morning coffee, turning on your home computer to read the day's newspaper. Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem. In fact, both local San Francisco papers are investing a lot of money to try and get a service just like that started. Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
Are we good? Oh, it came on?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's looking like a pain in the butt right here. Even if I lifted this, which I thought was going to give me clearance, it's not going to give me clearance to get in there.
Yeah. This doesn't come out, right?
I don't think.
Oh yeah, you can unbolt it here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, here and here. These two.
Well, let's do that. It is a exactly the same. Oh, you are? Alright. Oh, okay. I know what you're
Woo!
doing. Yeah, he's at work.
Alright. Let me show you what we did already. Transmission is out.
The thread busted. I gotta buy another one.
Oh, it broke?
Yep. Yo, I'm gonna need you to drill something out for me again.
Like?
This bolt strip for the half shaft. It could pull off. It's just
from in there?
It's inside.
It's
Yeah, we're just
inside.
gonna have to pull it out. The little bits, just in that thread. That's it. I have one in the back too. There's a.
Look who's here.
Oh, I see it. You know what's funny? I figured out how to make them. It's just like.
It just came really big though. Now it's just.
Yeah, you just gotta get the Integra.
Yeah, I gotta change that. I'm probably gonna just take off the RSX and the
Oh, I forgot you got the wheels too. Ooh.
That's probably the one.
And you're gonna paint the side skirt too?
Yeah, I am.
It's fiberglass?
Yeah.
How does it fit?
You can see the gap. What size skirt is it?
Oh, yeah,
They're buddy
dude.
clubs.
Huh? What's up, YouTube? So it's been a few days now. It started raining that day, and yesterday it was raining, so it's been like 2 days. Right now I retouched the wing so that we could slap it on the car. Let me just show you. So I added one last coat just so that it looks good. Once that dries, we're gonna be putting it on the car. And let me just remove everything that I have on the under panel of the trunk so that we could get ready to mount it and start drilling the holes in order to put the bolts in. All right, so we got to remove this under carpet here. Take all of this out. Got to remove these. It's like 3 of them on this side. And once we get all of those out, we're gonna be able to see right here where we're gonna mount the bolts through for the wing.
I like the color, man.
Thank you.
I like that.
Thank you. Alright guys, I got everything mounted up. Wing is on. Man, way heavier. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below of the wing. It makes the car look way more aggressive. I think it looks really good. Alright guys, there you have it. The wing is finally on the car, and I think it looks really good. I gotta fix this, it's a little off, but the wing is on where it should be. Perfect fitment. I just gotta clean it off because my hands are dirty. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of the car now with the wing on it. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe, you know, all that good stuff to help the channel. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.